Hello everyone, today we will see inheritance under Muslim law. Already we have seen that when a person dies without making a will, he is deemed to be an intestate. So the property of an intestate will be devolved according to the laws that are prescribed. So for Hindus it is Hindu Succession Act, for Indian Christians we have Indian Succession Act. Similarly for Muslims we have personal laws, that is Sunni and Shia law. Today we will see the table of sharers in Sunni law. So we will see who are the sharers and on what ratio the property has been given to the sharers and under what conditions these shares have been allotted. All these things we will see in today's class detailedly. So this is designed in such a way that you can easily remember. So please do utilize this, and if you have any feedback, please do it in comment section. So there are two things which you need to understand. First, one is sharers, the other one is residuaries. When a person is allotted certain share, they are called sharers. So after allotting to their sharers, the leftover property will be taken by the residuaries. So in Hindu section, Indian section and all, the property is divided equally. So the property will not be left over. But in Muslim law, there will be an unequal distribution. That is, each member will get different share. So in that case, there could be some occasion the property will be left over. That leftover part will be taken by the residuaries. So we will see who are and all residuary, who are and all sharers, and what circumstances the sharers will become residuaries. All these things we will see detailedly shortly so that you will understand it better. So in this picture, the husband is the one who died. Let's see who is the first sharer. So wife is the first sharer with the condition that when there is a child or child of a son. So if a person who died intestate is survived by children, or if his son has children, in that case. So in this case, he is survived by 2 daughters and 1 son. So he is having children. So the wife is going to get 1/8. If there are no children, then in that case wife is getting 1/4, that is doubling the share. 1/8 if there are children, 1/4 if there are no children. So next is mother. When there is a child or child of a son, so if he is survived by children, then in that case mother will get 1/6. Even if he doesn't have children, but the deceased person has more than one brother or sister, or that is 2 brothers, 2 sisters, or more than that, in that case also mother is going to get 1/6. So if there are no children, obviously it is going to double, that is 1/6 doubling is 1/3. That's what she is going to get. So now let's see onward condition when no child or child of a son and not more than one brother or sister. Till this condition we have already seen. So till this condition we have seen that mother will get 1/3. But there is also one more condition. But if there is also a wife or husband and the father, then only 1/3 of what remains after deducting the wife's or husband's share. So here if you see in this picture, the deceased person is survived by wife, mother and father. So if wife and father are both are surviving, then in that case mother will get not 1/3 of the whole property, but 1/3 of what remains after deducting the wife share. I will show you the calculation which is easy to understand. So as we already seen that wife will get 1/4 if the deceased person doesn't have children. So wife is getting 1/4. So remaining is 3/4. So mother will now get 1/3 of remaining. So remaining is 3/4. So 1/3 of 3/4 is 1/4. So mother will get 1/4. So she would get 1/4. So 1/4 and 1/4 is 2/4. So the remaining is again 2/4. That will be given to the father because he is the residuary. That we will be seeing a residuary concept later. But right now what you need to understand here is when the deceased person is survived by wife and father and he doesn't have any children, in that case mother won't get 1 by 3 of the whole property, but she will get 1 by 3 of what remains after deducting the wife's share. In this case, as you have seen, 1 by 4 only the mother is getting. If anyone, wife or father, is not surviving, in that case mother would have got 1 by 3. But here, since wife and father are surviving, she got only. So we have seen mother. Next one is true grandmother. So in place of mother, she is going to get, true grandmother is going to get. So if mother is there, 1 by 6. If mother is not there, true grandmother, in place of her, she is getting 1 by 6. Either it could be paternal grandmother or maternal grandmother. The share is the same, that is 1 by 6. Next one is father. If there are children, then father is going to get 1 by 6. If there are no children, obviously he is going to become residuary. That is, after allotting to the people, sharers, whatever remains that he is going to get. That is, the father is going to become residuary. So next is the true grandfather. So in the place of father, so if father is not there but true grandfather is surviving, then in that case true grandfather in place of father, the same share, 1 by 6 he is going to get. Next is the daughter. So if no son, there is only one daughter, then in that case half of the property is going to be the daughter. So if there are two daughters, so both daughters together will take 2 by 3. See, together they will take 2 by 3, not each will take 2 by 3. So if there is a son, in that case the daughter will become the residuary. So if there is no son, then she will take half or 2 by 3 according to the sisters available, that is daughters available. But in case of son, the daughter is going to become the residuary, and with one more condition, that son will take the double the share of the daughter. For example, if the daughter is getting 5 lakhs, then son will get 10 lakhs. The son, obviously he is going to take the double the share. So next one is full sister. There is a condition. The full sister will get only if there are no children to the deceased person, or father, or true grandfather, or full brother. So in that case full sister will get 1 by 2. So if there are two full sisters, then together they will take 2 by 3. So the next is the full sister with one more condition. So if the deceased person has full brother also, so in that case 1 by 2 is not applicable. Sister becomes the residuary and full brother will get the double the share of the full sister. So uterine sister is nothing but same mother, different father. So if the deceased person doesn't have any children, father or true grandfather, either it could be uterine brother or sister, then in that case uterine sister will get 1 by 6. If there are two uterine sisters, then that 1 by 6 is shared by two people, that is each will get 1 by 3. Next one is consensual sister. Here it is the same father but different mother. So if the deceased person doesn't have children, father or true grandfather, or full brother, full sister, or consensual brother, in that condition only she will get 1 by 2. If there are two consensual sisters, so they both together takes 2 by 3. So one more condition they are told, but if there is only one full sister and she succeeds as a sharer, the consensual sister will take 1 by 6. If there are two full sisters, she won't take. Only if one full sister, she will take 1 by 6. So with the consensual brother, she will become residuary, and as we have seen in son's daughter and sister brother relationship, the male guy will take double the share. Here also the brother will take the double the share of a sister. Next one is if a son has a daughter, and if the son is no more, in that condition when no son, daughter, higher son's daughter, or equal son. So we have seen different degrees, right? If in the same degree, if the son's daughter has a brother like son, or in the highest degree, if the deceased person has son, daughter, or son, or son's daughter, or equal son, in that case, son's daughter won't get. Otherwise, she will get 1 by 2. So if there are two sons daughter, they both together takes 2 by 3. So let's take a quick recap. So who are and all will be the sharers. When there is a child or child of a son, in that case, true grandfather will take the property, that is 1 by 6. True grandmothers the same. Father the same. Mother the same. Husband will take 1 by 4. Wife would take 1 by 8. So when no son, daughter will take 1 by 2. When there is no children, in that case, uterine sister will take 1 by 6. Full sister 1 by 2. Consensual sister 1 by 2. So now let's see who and all will be the residuary. Father, true grandfather, daughter, son's daughter, full sister, consensual sister. So these people will become residuary under certain conditions that we have already seen. Hope you find this video helpful and it is very easy to understand. So if you have any doubts, please do ask in comment section. Please do read it in textbook also, and if you have any doubts,